Hello everybody, my name is Sunny and today I'm going to be sharing with you some eco-friendly alternatives from Bella Luna Toys for creating an Easter or spring basket. Now, everything that you see here has been thoughtfully chosen and curated by Bella Luna. Each one of these items can be found on their website along with a variety of other fantastic activities, toys, items. There's just such a beautiful variety of stuff on their website. So go check that out when this video is over. But I'm going to start with showing you guys how to create this basket. Now, of course, to create an Easter basket or a spring basket, we need a basket. And Bella Luna has a few different options on their website, including these beautiful, colorful Bolga swing baskets. Now, each one of these baskets is handcrafted by somebody, and you can actually learn about the person that created them with the tag that's on each one of these. They also have some small miniature ones that are new in the shop. These are so cute and perfect for Easter or spring, especially if you have, like, let's say a niece or nephew or grandchild, or say you want to get something for your child's favorite stuffed animal or doll alongside their larger basket. There's so many different ways that you can use these. I've seen them used to store crayons or art supplies. I mean, there's so many uses for these baskets. My family loves to take these bigger ones outside with us when we go on picnics or hikes and we collect our nature treasures, but in reality, they also get set around the house and they end up storing lots of their toys and other various items. I mean, whatever you can think of, there's a use for it. All right, so we have our basket. Now we're gonna wanna fill it with something. I have a little bit of tissue paper here that came with these items in the packaging, and you can use that on its own if you'd like. But there are also a variety of options on the website for grasses. Now, one of my favorites is this wool. It's an organic wool, and it's basically like wool roving, but these packs come in 3 different colors, and you can kind of fluff them up, put them in together. Here's another color like this. You can put the other one in here, or let's say you have more than one child. We have 3 little boys, and so what I would do, since there's 3 different colors, is I would use one color for each kid's basket, kind of bolstering it up with that tissue paper down there on the bottom. Okay, so we have that option. And then what I meant to mention is that it's essentially wool roving. So what I would end up doing with it is, if you don't want to save it, you know, for next Easter, you could use it for your felting crafts. Okay, so we have that option. Another option is these beautiful Sarah silks. Now this one is in an emerald green, and so that looks kind of like a grassy color, but in reality you could choose any color you want. The website has so many different color options. All of them are just beautiful. And if you're not familiar with these, really they are such a fun toy. They are kind of the definition of open-ended play because there's so many ways to use them. Our boys love to transform themselves into pirates by tying them around their head, or they turn themselves into superheroes by tying a cape around their back. There's really just so many ways to use them. Okay, so that was our second option. Now our third option is this Grow Your Own Easter Grass Kit, and this is so much fun. Inside you will find your grass seeds that you soak before you plant them, and then the growing medium on which you plant them. And basically this is a coir puck. It's made from ground up coconut husks, so it's a sustainable material. And you soak it in water and it will grow a lot. And then you kind of break it up and you can put it into a plate or a bowl or whatever kind of container will fit inside of your basket. And then you sprinkle your pre-soaked grass seeds right on the top of it. You keep them moist, and within a week you'll have really beautiful tall grass. All right, so we have our grasses. I'm gonna, just for the sake of this video, use some of this wool roving stuff here. And of course, a lot of people fill their baskets with candy. We do candy for our kids as well, but I like to incorporate some thoughtful items that can be used throughout the year, things that really inspire creativity and imagination. And truly, there are so many different options at Bella Luna Toys for these types of things. Now, this little Grimm's rainbow is kind of an iconic open play inspired toy with its many uses. There are truly so many ways you can play with it. We have some of these bigger ones, and my kids love to make ball runs out of them. That's really fun for them. But this little guy is the perfect size for one of these baskets, and it also is this perfect springy shade of pastel. Just lovely. Let's see here, what else we got? Oh, these cute little bunnies in their little zipper pouch. This is such a fun one. My 1-year-old loves this. He likes to play peekaboo with the bunnies. So essentially it's like this cotton linen type material, and it's a little zipper pouch, and you can take the bunnies out. So you zip it up, unzip it. You can take the bunnies out, and you can even put them inside one of these little baskets if you wish. How cute is that? They're so adorable. And then, you can use this pouch for whatever you want. Your kids can store some of their crayons if they like, or maybe they have marbles, stuff like that. This pouch makes a great little container for those. But it's also really fun for little hands to take them out and put them back in and then zip it back up. So that can go in here. Okay, let's see. What else should we put in here? We've got this sun print kit, which if you've never done these sun prints before, they're so much fun, especially if you have kids that love to be outside and love to find nature treasures, because what you do is you take this piece of paper, this special type of paper, and you collect things. It can be stuff from inside your house as well, but we love to do things outside like ferns because they have such an intricate detail to them. And then you lay them on the paper out in the sun for 5 minutes or 1 to 5 minutes, and then you take the paper and you get it wet, and the print will show up from whatever you put on top of the paper. Okay, so our next item are these lovely finger paints from Eco Kids. And what I love about these is that they're made from organic fruits and vegetables. So not only are they non-toxic, but they're also food safe, which is clearly perfect for little fingers that end up in their mouths. And also the pack that you can purchase from the website comes with 4 different colors, and they come in these handy little cartons, and you can put, a couple in each of your kids' baskets if you want, or put the whole box in if you want. But there's 4 in each one, so there's a lot to go around. Okay, so this next item that we have is this wooden bird memory game. And memory games are some of our kids' favorites. So you can see that they have different types of birds on them. And what I like about these is that you can actually talk about the different types of birds and learn the different names of the birds together. And it fits so perfectly here in our little basket. I also love for Christmas, Easter, all the holidays that we give gifts, to give books. And Bella Luna has some really beautiful books. This one is obviously perfect for spring, but it's also perfect for little ones who can't quite read yet, because it's all just beautiful illustrations, so they can sit and read it to themselves if they want. It's really pretty. Okay, so we have that here. Let's stick that in back. So now, it wouldn't really be Easter if I didn't talk about eggs, decorating eggs. So some people do the traditional eggs where you hard boil them and you dye them. And this kit from Eco Kids, the same brand as these finger paints here, is made again with organic fruit and vegetable extracts. And it comes in 3 different colors, you can see, and it even comes with a little card that will show you how to mix the colors to make some secondary colors. But really, it's a fun way of experimenting with color if you want. If your kids want to play around and make their own colors and make them special, it's really fun. It also comes with a few of these coir pucks that I showed you from our larger grass kit, and some grass seeds. So you can grow your own grass in this little container, or you can put it in a separate container, but it makes such a lovely backdrop for your decorated eggs. So that's for your traditional hard-boiled eggs. Now, let's say your family doesn't eat eggs or doesn't usually do regular eggs. You can do these wooden eggs from Natural Earth Paint, and it comes with a set of these 6 beautiful wooden eggs and 6 of their mineral pigments that we personally love. I love using these for our arts and crafts because you can make water-based paint, you can make oil-based paint. They even have different mediums on their site for making like an acrylic type of paint, but it's more eco-friendly, of course. So love this kit. And what I also love about these wooden eggs is that once you decorate them, they're not going to spoil like a normal egg would. You can keep these for years and years and years, and they're not going to break as well. So we have the egg kits right over here. Now our last, and my personal favorite, and my children's favorite as well, is this giant bubble kit. This is this magical wand that is made from sustainable materials like wood and cotton string. And you have a jug of this bubble concentrate that comes with it, and you mix this with a gallon of water, which makes quite a bit. You could also mix only half of it with half a gallon of water, which is what we do, and then not have to think about storing the bubble solution. But you dip this into your bubble solution and then kind of wave it back and forth like this, and it makes these massive bubbles. We play with it spring, summer, and fall, and it's really so much fun. Now, like I said, you can find all of these items right on the Bella Luna website, along with so many other fantastic options for Easter or your spring basket. I hope that you take some time to check them out and check out some of the other options that are on the website. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful, happy, healthy spring and Easter.